In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button clickable on Wix. Now, if you take a look at this button right here, if I click on it, nothing changes because this button is not clickable. If that's also the case for you, let me show you how to change that. So head over to your Wix editor and find the button that you want to make clickable. In this case, I want this order now button to become clickable. Now, in order to make it clickable, what you want to do is click on it, and then I want you to click on the link option right here. Tap on this, and from here, I want you to choose a destination for the button. That way, every time somebody clicks on that button, it will have to take them somewhere, whether that's a document or another page on your website or any of these options that you see on the screen right here. So in this case, I just want this button, once clicked, to take somebody to google.com. Just like that. And I wanted to open a new window so that people also remain on my website once the button is clicked. So I'm going to click on done. And now I'm going to go ahead and preview the website and see where this button is going to take me once I click on it. And as you can see, this is how you make a button clickable on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.